It's Ask the Judge time once again today. Judge Larry Thorne joins us for one of our most popular segments. Great to see you today.
Hey, it's great to be here.
Are you ready for sunshine?
Oh, yes.
Me too.
Patrick.
Can you make that happen, Patrick?
Yes.
Okay, he says yes. Well, let's jump right in. Here's a question from one of our viewers. What does it take in the state of Texas to be common law married?
It's not real hard. Of course, it's just as simple to go get, somebody to marry you for real, but it is a valid marriage in Texas. You've got to cohabitate, obviously live together. You've got to hold out to the public. You've got to say, well, this is my wife, this is my husband. And thirdly, which is probably the hardest if y'all are fighting about it, is intent. You both have to agree that you are in fact married. So those are the three reasons, or three ways.
Pretty simple though, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty simple.
Okay. The second question, if a separated individual lives with a woman, he is common law married? Is he a bigamist?
Oh my gosh. The answer is no and no.
First off, I just can't get over that question.
Yeah,
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
This is simply a married person shacking up with someone else, thereby providing lots of evidence to the spouse for a larger share of the community estate. That's what they're doing.
So the marriage license trumps all of that.
Yeah, it's just shacking up. It's not a marriage. It's not anything.
Okay. Well, and the last question: does blacklisting exist today? How can you find out if someone is preventing you from getting a job, for example, when references are checked? And what can be done about it if you've done nothing to deserve this treatment?
This is an interesting question, and the first question there was, does it exist? Well, it must, because 29 states have laws against it. Texas has a criminal law. The Texas Labor Code, I think it's section 52, provides that you could be charged with basically a misdemeanor. You could get a fine of $50 to $250. You could get jail time of 30 to 90 days in jail. One thing that you can do, well, you can sue if you find out somebody is doing this and obviously press criminal charges. But one thing that you can do is if you're turned down from a job or if you get discharged, you can make an application for a letter, a written correspondence of why. Why did this happen? Why did you not hire me? Why did you discharge me? Now, you cannot use that letter in a lawsuit against the people that give you the letter, but that's one way of finding out what's going on.
Oh, that's real interesting.
Very
Very
educational.
educational.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much, Judge. And if you have any questions for our Ask the Judge segment, just head over to 12newsnow.com/askthejudge and fill out the form.